Oh, where's probation?
I think I'm here on the side.
Oh, can you tell one of them to come in? Yes.
Okay. I'm not sure. You get the mic.
Oh, okay.
All right, the court is calling 2025 CR 008217, 2025 CR 008221, 2025 CR 008219, State versus Pierce Pearson. Can I have parties announced?
Lauren Espinoza for the state.
Monica Anna Guerrero for person.
I need a file stamp on that. And are you all pleading on 3 cases?
Yes, Judge.
Yeah.
But it is the same across.
Okay, awesome. All right, and each cause number, counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes.
And each cause number, the court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. And each cause number, Mr. Pearson, did you review the documents entitled Application for Deferred Adjudication with your attorney?
Yes,
Did you
ma'am, I did.
understand it and electronically sign it?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
And each cause number, did you review the defendant's consent to plea by video conference with your attorney? Did you
Yes, ma'am.
understand it and did you electronic sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, any objections to the defendant appearing by video conference? State or defense, any objection to the defendant appearing by video conference?
And from the state, Your Honor.
None from defense.
All righty. The court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily consented to appear by video conference. And each cause number, Mr. Pearson, did you review the did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, I do.
State in each cause number, you're proceeding on the indictment as presented.
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Pearson, in each cause number, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
In each cause number, you're charged with the offense of deadly conduct. Discharging of a firearm is a 3rd-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in the prison and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. By entering these pleas, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in each of these cause numbers?
Yes, ma'am.
And each cause number, do you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 10 years in the prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, in each cause number, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes.
All right. Off the record for a moment.
At some point, I do want to put on the record that there was no affirmative finding sought. I just don't know the right time to do that.
I mean, you don't have to put on the record. I'm not going to
Okay.
do an affirmative finding because it's nowhere asking for that and
If
it's
it-
not in the
if
plea.
you think it's perfect.
Sure.
Okay.
But if you want to put that on the record, you can.
Okay.
And we can do it at the time the stipulated evidence is offered.
Okay.
All right, Mr. Pearson, each cause number, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promise you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering these pleas, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and reentry. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, the cases are to run concurrently. Punishment is to be assessed at 5 years in the prison. There's a $1,000 fine. The state is silent on your application for deferred adjudication. They're recommending community supervision. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense and state, is that the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, and we are seeking deferred adjudication.
Yes. Okay. And also there's $1,000 fine. Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and electronically sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Any such motions? Counsel, any such motions?
Sorry, such motions for,
Any pretrial motions that were heard and ruled upon?
there was a motion to quash. It was ruled upon that was denied.
Yes. All right. And then outside the agreement, the state is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 5 years. There be 100 hours of community service restitution, no contact with the complainants, no possession of firearms or ammunition, a mental health evaluation, and parenting classes. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, ma'am.
Then to each indictment, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State, any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor. State offers State's Exhibit 1 and all attachments.
All right. And defense, there was something you wanted to put on the record about an affirmative finding of deadly weapon?
I do want to say no objection to the evidence to establish the elements of these specific offenses only. As the state has agreed that they're not seeking an affirmative finding of a deadly weapon or firearm, and we ask that the court make no affirmative finding as such, and that the judgment reflects no such finding.
All right. Mr. Pearson, in each cause number, did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find the defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence state's exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. Attachments. In each cause number, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes.
All right. In each of these cause numbers, the court is aware of the issues, as all parties are, based upon the fact that Mr. Pearson was evaluated for the mental health court, and he was also evaluated for veterans treatment. So, counsel, can you tell me, one, do you waive PSI?
Yes.
All right. And can you tell the court whether or not your client is currently receiving any type of treatment?
Yes, my Mr. Person is actively engaging in mental health services and counseling sessions to address his mental health challenges that he's had.
All right. And who is treating him?
I believe it is the military with the military, and you can correct me, Mr. Person.
Mr. Pearson, is that through the VA?
No, ma'am. Currently, it's through Randolph Mental Health Clinic.
I'm sorry, who?
Randolph Air Force Base Mental Health Clinic.
Randolph Air Force Base. So it's on base.
And are you still with your wife?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And have you been living with her throughout the pendency of this case?
Yes, ma'am.
And are there any weapons in the home currently?
No, ma'am.
Okay. And are you still employed with the military or no?
Yes, ma'am. I'm currently active duty Air Force.
Okay. So, state,
Yes, Judge.
I know there's a no possession of firearms or ammunition. I'm not sure what his role is because he's still active duty. Do you have any objections with the court stating that there's to be no possession of firearms or ammunition off base? Because I don't know if That's a part of his military duties.
Right, Judge. I wouldn't object to that. My understanding, the two firearms Mr. Pearson had in his possession were being stored in the armory, and those were seized during this case. So long as it's confined to the military base, or if they need to provide a letter or whatever, that's fine with me.
All right, so Mr. Pearson, you're not allowed to have possession of weapons off of base. You understand?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
And does that interfere with your employment or service?
No, ma'am.
All right. Then we're going to proceed in 2025 CR 008221. This is what the court is going to do. And Deputy Laura, they're being lined up. I think they're outside lining the jurors up. All right, the court is going to sentence you to 2 years deferred adjudication. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular UAs, proof of employment within 30 days, no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. And I'll note for the record that you're active duty, you say with the Air Force?
Yes, ma'am.
With the Air Force. This is to run concurrent with 2025 CR 008217 and 2025 CR 008219. There's a $1,000 fine that will be probated. There's to be no contact with.
State Judge.
All right, is there anything else with regards to that case that you need from the court to be successful? Mr. Pearson?
No, ma'am.
So next, we're going to proceed and cause number 2025 CR 008217. Colin, can I have those trial court certification, please? All right, 2 years deferred adjudication, regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular UAs, proof of employment within 30 days, no employment as a home health care providers or with minors. The court will note for the record that you're on active duty with the Air Force. This is to run concurrent with 2025 CR 8219 and 2025 CR 008221. $1,000 fine probated, no contact with the previous complainants mentioned, continued treatment with mental health at Randolph Air Force Base, field visits 1 time per month for 3 months, no possession of firearms or ammunition off base. All right, next we're going to proceed in 2025 CR 008219. Two years deferred adjudication, regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular UAs, proof of employment within 30 days, no employment as a home health care provider with minors. Court will note for the record that the defendant is active duty with the Air Force. This is to run concurrently with 2025 CR 008217 and 2025 CR 008221. There's a $1,000 fine probated, no contact with the previous complainants mentioned, continued mental health treatment at Randolph Air Force Base, field visits 1 time per month for 3 months, no possession of firearms or ammunition off base. And each cause number, did you review the trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. You do have a limited right to appeal, and I'm giving you permission to appeal as it relates to the pretrial motion that was heard on the motion to quash. But that is the only item you're allowed to appeal on. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you so much, Judge.
All right, you're welcome. If you'll remain, I'm going to send you to the breakout room. Oh, I'm sorry. One other thing I forgot. He doesn't need a transfer anywhere, does he?
He is in Guadalupe County. They said that he can report to Bayer County.
Okay.
So no.
All right. All right. Then what's going to end up happening is a probation officer is going to meet you in the breakout room. And once they've spoken with you and counsel, if you'll go in the breakout room with them,
Sure.
be sure to ask them any questions if you have questions about anything. But then once you have finished speaking with them, you can be excused from the breakout room and you don't have to come back to see me. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. I'm going to put you in breakout room number 2.
Okay.
All right. Let's bring the jurors in.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. I'm sorry.